Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to fix Facebook video problem. So to do that, let's head over to a Facebook application first. So once you're there, make sure you're logged in into your desired account and then just head over to this video section. So if you can't see long videos in here, what you have to do is go to the three lines icon on the top right. Now navigate to the settings. You can go from here, or you can also scroll down, go to settings and privacy and go to settings. From here, scroll down and go to this tab bar under preferences. In here, go to customize the bar. Now go to this video option. Now go to from change it to auto to hide. Now once it is hidden, go back. Turn off your Facebook. Now turn it on again. So now you have to go to this three lines icon. Now here, go to this video section. Now you can find your long videos in here, not only shorts. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.